Hi guys, welcome to my channel New Tech Series. In this video, I wish to convey about a smart desk device. Abstract. Smart desk is a tiny desk-sized device with extraordinary capabilities, and it combines sensing, computing, wireless communication capabilities, and autonomous power supply within a volume of only few millimeters and at a low cost. And this device are proposed to be so small and light in weight that they can remain suspended in an environment like an ordinary dust particles. And these properties of a smart desk will render it useful in monitoring a real world environment without disturbing the original process to an observable extent. Presently, the achievable size of a smart desk is about 5 mm cube, and this device is also known as a MEMS, which stands for Micro Electromechanical Sensors. Keywords: smart desk, millimeters, and MEMS. And it consists of a series of a circuit and micro electromechanical system designed to cast those functions into custom silicon. Micro-electro-mechanical systems consist of extremely tiny mechanical elements, often integrated together with electronic circuits. Introduction: Smart desk is an emerging technology made up from tiny wireless sensors called as modes. Eventually, this device will be smart enough to talk with other sensors, yet small enough to fit on the edge of a pin. And Brickley Smart Desk project explores the limits on size and power consumption in autonomous sensor nodes. Size reduction is to make the nodes as inexpensive and easy to develop as possible. The research team is confident that they can incorporate the requested sensing communication in a volume no more than a few cubic millimeters. And smart desk sensors are networked computer nodes that are just a cubic millimeter in volume. And the smart desk project is a complete sensor network node including a power supply, processor, sensors, and communication mechanism in single cubic millimeters. And then the smart desk nodes could run for years, given that a cubic millimeters battery can store 1 joule and could be backed up with solar cell. This device will around the size of a grain of sand and will contain a sensor, computational ability, bidirectional wireless communication, and a power supply. This is the appearance of a smart desk device and history. Smart desk was conceived in 1998 by Dr. Chris Pfister of the University of California, Berkeley. He set out to build a device with a sensor, communication device, and small computer integrated into a single package. And the team gained experience by building relatively large modes using components available. One such mode, named RF mode, has a sensor for humidity, temperature, and barometric pressure, light intensity, tilt and vibration, and magnetic field. And it is capable of communicating distance of 60 feet using RF communication. If the mode operated continuously, its battery would last up to 1 week. However, long battery life is critical to application where it will be costly, inconvenient, or impossible to retrieve a smart desk mode in order to replace its batteries. Dr. David Coulter was to design a software that enabled the modes to sleep most of the time yet wake up regularly to take readings and communicate. This allows for energy conservation during the sleep period. Components used: a small or a low power computer with an operating system of tiny OS and contain sensors, batteries, reflectors, and transmitters for reflecting the laser beams and order as per requirements of the desk. It's a method for constructing the smart desk device and working. As the modes are run by microcontrollers, then microcontrollers takes the reading from the sensor, process it, and stores it. It uses optical receiver to receive the message from other modes and uses corner cube retroreflector or laser to transmit the sensor data to other modes. The batteries are the basic powering device in the modes, and then modes are in sleep mode most of the time with little consumption of a few microamps. Counters and timers are periodically triggered on the sensors which take the readings. Microcontroller transmits them, stores them, and the modes again goes to the sleep mode. And then it's used in smart military operation as can be used to sense enemy movement, and they can help to collect a battlefield intelligence, and can be proved as a weapon against bioterrorism, and can be proved as a brilliant species. Then it used in smart environment and can be used as a seismic sensors, can be strained in cloths to sense the working environment and changes in it so that the user can get better of it. Can be used to identify the pollutants present in the environment, can make our life better by sensing these elements. And smart medication. It can assist the handicapped person about the parts, and it can assist in detecting and destroying tumor cells in the body, and it can help to identify various type of disease for whom the definition are not yet given by defining them in the tiny OS and matching them. Advantage: a dramatically reducing system and infrastructure costs, increasing productivity, improving safety and compliance. Takes into consideration the needs of the crop, therefore there is a better fertilization management. It gives farmers a better management of time, and it's better for the environment, and reducing of inputs and increase of outputs, increase in productivity. Applications: civil and military applications where chemical and biological agents in a battlefield are detected. Inventory control smart office spaces, the center for the built environment as fabulous plan for the office of the future in which the environmental conditions. And individual dust modes can be attached to the objects one wishes to monitor, or a large number of dust modes may be dispersed in the environment randomly. Dust modes may be used in a place where wired sensors are unusable or may lead to errors. Example: instrumentation of semiconductors, processing chambers, wind tunnels, rotating machinery, etc. And may be used in a biological research. Example: to monitor movements and internal process of insects. Conclusion: smart dust is made up of thousands of sand grain sized sensors that can measure ambient light and temperature. The sensors, each one is called a mode, which has wireless communication device attached to them, and if you put a bunch of them near each other, they will network themselves automatically. This sensor, which will cost pennies each if mass produced, could be plastered all over office buildings and homes. Each room in an office building might have hundreds or even 1,000 light and temperature sensing modes. Future development projects as dust modes attached to various objects like coins, tables, walls, etc. And the smart dust device is attached to them so that it can be used as a virtual keyboard. And soldier wearable shooter location system. Soldiers attach smart dust device in their hands so that they can detect their locations. And biological application of a smart dust, a device attached to the leaves so that they can detect all over the area of the forest, and they can sense about animals, birds, etc. Then smart dust has came to the market, but it's not available for the public access. It's only used for the government purpose. And then the cost of modes has been dropping steadily in nowadays, and the prices range from $50 to $100 each today, and a Buster anticipates that they will fall to $1 within 5 years. And thank you all. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and thank you so much for spending time in this video.